What's up, guys? So we got the OneWheel Pint here. We installed the new Kush. Just gonna need to pop this out right here.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
Alright, we got it installed, so we got the old one off. It's much stiffer to bend. You really can't bend this guy at all. This one's much more flexy. You can tell the concaveness right here. It swoops up as opposed to this guy super flat. Let's just pop on. See how it feels. So without it on, oh yeah, you can definitely feel it. Let's pop it on. I mean, riding backwards, that was the thing I was concerned about. Like, how would that feel? Feels fine. I mean, I don't really, because obviously the front still has the motion pad, so you're only doing the back side. And they also give you some extra deep grip. Now, as far as twisting and shifting back and forth, like if I'm trying to move this foot, my left, the new pad, super tough to twist. This one I can turn a little bit more, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. So overall though, I'll give you a couple of videos of me riding it. I like it though.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.